I would say my confidence has evolved. I now know I'm better equipped with skills that I need at my workplace to speak up and talk about topics that I have not talked about before. My name is Rohma Awan. I took financial modeling and valuation analyst and FinTech certification at CFI. I wanted to change my workplaces, applied to a higher position, and CFI really helped me look into different skills that I can apply or add to my resume, or just learn in general that I could present to my next workplace. When I was exploring, the first option I was going for was a CFA license, but when I came across CFI and I saw I could learn more technical skills with it, not just the formulas or book skills, that's what attracted me the most. And how we don't have to take 6 months of courses or something. We can watch short videos and apply those videos with a real world application instead of something that I might not even apply in my career ever. It was a great decision and I do not regret anything about it. I've been working as a financial analyst for the last 5 years now. Some of the challenges I was facing was with technical skills. I didn't know where to go to learn these skills or what skills I was supposed to learn. I was basically lost. I only knew those skills I was taught at work. When I discovered CFI, I was exposed to a lot more skills that I needed to excel in my career, and not just at my job, but in my career overall. I was exposed to how I can apply financial modeling into Excel, how I can add thousands of rows of data in one sheet and without breaking the file. I wanted to learn more about how we can apply FinTech in finance. So those are the two certifications that I chose that I believe will help me in my career in future. The most impactful skill or the topic that I found very invaluable was financial modeling. It's a separate certification that you can do. I was having a hard time with our previous financial models at our workplace, which was either breaking our files or just not pulling the data correctly. So I was trying to create financial models myself, which will pull data correctly into each tab and just flows more accurately. And that certification and that topic really helped me build a financial modeling template at my workplace. The practical aspect is one of the best aspect, I would say, for with CFI. It helps you not just teach, but also help you practice so you can apply these skills in your daily workplace. The program is very heavily focused on technical skills, but there are also soft skills that I learned. I like the fact that it's focused more on technical skills, but because when you go into workplace, the one thing they focus more on the HRs and the people who are hiring on the hiring teams is your technical skills. Soft skills are applied once you're hired and when you on day-to-day basis, but technical skills is what actually gets you hired and what the companies are looking for. Since earning my CFI certification, it has truly elevated my career. I have changed my workplaces and applied for a higher position from a financial analyst to a financial analyst 2. And I think the skills I learned, especially with financial modeling and valuation analyst, FMVA certifications, really helped me add value to my resume and just my career in general. It helped me get a better position at work. Also, things were much more easier and more explained to me because of the certifications than before. I would say my confidence has evolved. I now know I'm better equipped with skills that I need at my workplace to speak up and talk about topics that I have not talked about before. I would say go for it. It's one of the best things you can do for your career if you're in finance. Even if you're not in finance, they will teach you skills that you need in any field going in. Excel is very important, so it's SQL, Python. It will equip you with skills that you would need in your career at some point. So I would say just go for it. I love how we can transform data into something more actionable, something more insightful, something we can look at, that can help our business grow. CFI has helped me, equipping me with the skills that I needed to perform these analyses and changing data into something that can help our business basically grow. CFI has its own community, and I think in this day and age, we are very far off from each other, and we don't find communities in our colleges or like just in our circles. CFI has a community that you can interact with. You can connect with them on LinkedIn. You can speak to them about common goals or aspirations. So I think that's a very great thing that we have, and I get notifications on my Outlook when someone comments or someone tries to reach out. So that's great. The instructors were very hands-on, although it was just behind a screen and it was a video, but they were very much involved with what they were teaching and what they were trying for us to learn. In future, I want to be able to finish the BIDA certification. I have taken everything except the exam yet, so I'm trying to find time to take the exam. The practical skills from CFI certifications have been the most invaluable in my career. CFI's emphasis on real-world application has really helped me implement these skills into my day-to-day work.